Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about the best strategy to grow your social media presence in 2023. Whether you're a business owner or a personal brand, having a strong social media presence is crucial in today's digital age. In this video, I'll be sharing proven tactics and strategies that will help you increase your engagement and grow your following in the coming year. So, if you want to dominate social media in 2023, keep watching. 1. Introduction to social media growth. Social media has become a vital part of people's lives, and it's no longer just a platform for connecting with friends and family. It's also a powerful tool for businesses to connect with their customers, increase brand awareness, and drive sales. However, with so many businesses and individuals on social media, it's becoming increasingly competitive to stand out and grow your following. That's why having a clear strategy in place is essential for achieving your social media goals. 2. Importance of strategy. A clear strategy helps you identify your target audience, understand their needs, and create content that resonates with them. It also helps you set specific, measurable goals and track your progress towards achieving them. Without a strategy, you're just posting content blindly and hoping for the best. So, before you start posting, take the time to define your goals and create a plan to achieve them. 3. Tactics to increase engagement. Now, let's talk about some tactics you can use to increase engagement with your audience. First and foremost, creating engaging content is key. This means posting a mix of text, images, and videos that are relevant, interesting, and valuable to your audience. Additionally, using hashtags can help increase visibility and reach, and running contests can encourage engagement and build excitement. Lastly, using social media analytics can help you understand your audience better, so you can create content that resonates with them. 4. Successful campaign examples. Now, let's take a look at some real-life examples of successful social media campaigns. For example, insert example and explanation. These campaigns were successful because they insert key elements of success. By understanding what made these campaigns successful, you can apply similar tactics to your own strategy and see similar results. 5. Importance of data analysis. Another crucial aspect of a successful social media strategy is analyzing your metrics. Tracking metrics such as likes, shares, and engagement can help you understand what is working and what is not. By analyzing this data, you can make informed decisions about your strategy and adjust accordingly. Additionally, creating a content calendar and scheduling posts in advance can help ensure consistency and save time. 6. Collaboration and influencer marketing. Collaborating with other businesses or influencers can also be an effective way to expand your reach and grow your social media following. Influencers already have a built-in audience, so partnering with them can help you reach a new audience and gain credibility. Collaborating with other businesses can also help you tap into their audience and expand your reach. 7. Actionable steps. Now, let's talk about some specific, actionable steps you can take to improve your social media growth in 2023. Insert actionable steps. By implementing these strategies, you can achieve your social media goals and dominate social media in 2023. In conclusion, having a clear strategy, increasing engagement, analyzing metrics, and taking action are the key to success when it comes to growing your social media presence in 2023. Remember to stay consistent, be creative, and engage with your audience.